A very easy way to learn the pelvic organs is to start from their openings. So here you have the sagittal section of the female pelvis. The pubic symphysis is in the front and sacrum is behind. So if you track those openings, so the opening in front of a female pelvis, the front opening is the urethra, followed by the vagina and followed by the anus. So if you track the urethra up, you are definitely going to reach the urinary bladder. So urinary bladder is the organ in front, which opens out through the urethra. If you go further back, you can see the vagina. So if you progress up to the vagina, you can see the uterus, the cervix of the uterus is inserted into the vaginal canal. To be specific, the anterior wall of the vaginal canal. So if you track up, you can see the uterus and along with its adnexal structures like fallopian tube, ovaries, etc. Now let's go further back. You have the posteriorly you have the anal canal. So again, if you track up the anal canal, you will reach the rectum. And if you track further up, you have the sigmoid colon. So in a nutshell, by knowing the openings of the pelvic floor, we can learn the organs which are contained inside the pelvic cavity. Thank you.